Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about what to know before starting to invest in real estate. So make sure to watch the full video. Although there are numerous examples of people who have earned themselves a fortune with real estate investment, real estate, like every other business, has many risks associated with it. Moreover, regardless of the type of property you are purchasing, or whether you plan to rent or resell it afterward, investing in real estate requires a good amount of cash, which makes it critical to take extra measures to ensure profit on your investment, or at least save yourself from a huge loss. 1. Don't let your emotions play with you. Most of the time when buying a home, people listen to their heart more than actually thinking about it logically, which is perfectly fine when it is the place where you will be living for many years of your life. But don't let your emotions affect your decision when buying your first investment property. Think of it as purely a business investment and logically negotiate to get the best possible price. 2. Do your research. Depending on the clients you are targeting, you need to do proper research before buying your first investment property. Make sure that the property is situated in a location that will attract the type of clients you hope to sell or rent to, that it will reach to the returns you are expecting, and that it will appeal to the market. Doing the proper researching and using an analytical approach, logically based on the financial factors, rather than considering your personal likes and dislikes, will surely help you in purchasing the best property. After all, investment isn't about emotions, it's about economics. 3. Secure a down payment. Unlike the 3% down payment on the house you are currently living in, you are going to require at least 20% down payment for buying your first investment property. This is because mortgage insurance is not applicable for investment properties. Moreover, investment properties require greater down payments than your regular building and have strict approval requirements. 4. Calculate expenses and profits beforehand. As the expression goes, only the paranoid survive. Oh, not always, but there is no harm in being a little paranoid and considering every detail beforehand. Start with calculating the money that you already have and what you can borrow before buying your first investment property. Next, calculate how much it would cost to purchase and renovate the house. Also, keep in mind the operation costs. Finally, estimate the price you are going to list your property for and cut out the expenses to get a rough estimate of the profit you stand to make. Honestly speaking, you may not even hit half of the estimated profit, but this calculation is necessary to keep yourself in the safe zone. 5. Select a low-cost home as your first investment property. Even if you are ready to invest up to $1 million in your first investment property, it is always a good idea to go for properties that lie in the lower to mid-range price brackets. Some experts suggest the house that doesn't cost you more than $150,000. Don't forget, you will need to spend more money on the renovation of the house before renting or selling it. 6. Pay your debts. As a new investor buying their first investment property, you might need to consider the investment loan options. One shouldn't be carrying debts as their investment portfolio. You must clear all of your debts, student loans, medical bills, etc. before starting out in real estate. 7. Consider investment loan options. There are a large number of options available when it comes to collecting funds to purchase your first investment property. Choosing the right option that could make a positive difference to your financial situation requires a lot of research. Different investment loan options come with different benefits, and the best possible option depends on your situation. However, you need to consider features such as which loan option is giving you the freedom to split the credit, or if it provides you with the line of credit facility. 8. Choose your partners carefully. Many people consider partnering up with their friends instead of taking an investment loan to start in the real estate business. First-time investors need to carefully consider many factors while choosing partners, such as how comfortable you are with them and the implications of a partnership agreement. Like every other business, investing in real estate can go either way. You can earn a good chunk of money, or it might turn into a disastrous experience. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.